4D Robotics recently completed a project entitled Railway Safety Improvement. Rail safety at level crossings is a critical safety issue for pedestrians, passenger vehicles, and public transport. Grade level crossings are the second most hazardous type of rail accident in Canada, surpassed only by train derailments. There are about 14,000 public and 9,000 grade level crossings along 26,000 kilometers of federally regulated rail track in Canada. From 2012 to 2022, the Transportation Safety Board of Canada recorded a total of 11,426 rail accidents. 1,773 accidents were at grade level crossings, resulting in 233 fatalities and 288 serious injuries. Consequently, it is crucial to prioritize the enhancement of rail crossing safety to establish a safer rail transportation system. Overall, the Railway Safety Improvement Project dealt with many use cases and system performance studies that engaged 13 local technology companies. The role of 4D Robotics focused on integration and testing of V2X communication. Testing was completed at the Invest Ottawa Area X.O private vehicle test track, which has a fully operational at-grade railway crossing. The infrastructure at the railway crossing transmits persistently the status of the railway crossing using SPAT and map data messages. A vehicle approaching the railway crossing receives and processes V2X messages. If messages indicate the crossing barrier is up, the vehicle crosses. If the V2X messages indicate the barrier is coming down or is down, the vehicle comes to a safe stop. The vehicle will not proceed until it receives a message from the railway crossing indicating the barrier is up. The autonomous test vehicle uses its horn to enunciate it is crossing the railroad track. The railroad crossing includes optical, infrared, LiDAR, and radar sensors that can detect and classify objects in all weather conditions. "4D Robotics would like to thank Transport Canada for funding this project and thank Invest Ottawa and Area X.O for sponsorship.